Hello students, today we will start topic mechanism of conduction of nerve impulse. Okay, so various steps which involve in the conduction are, first step is generation of impulse. Okay, how impulse are generated, then sorry, their propagation of impulse, conduction or propagation of impulse. Third is repolarization, and last step is refractory period. So students, first step we will discuss generation of impulse. Now as we know, in resting stage neurolemma means, first we will discuss the polarized stage. Okay, polarized stage, or you can say resting stage. So in resting stage, what happened? The neurolemma means outer membrane is positive and inner membrane is negative. Okay. So this will be positive and inner membrane will be negative. And why they are positive? They are positive means, why outer membrane is positive? They are positive because of presence of Na. ठीक है, due to Na plus, they are positive. And why inside is negative? Because of presence of negative charge organic matter. Let me write, due to negative charge organic matter, protein and potassium. So outer one is because of outer is positive because of Na, and inner is negative due to presence of K plus and protein. Okay, so this stage is known as polar stage. This is a polar stage. This is state. Okay, and what is the potential? The potential 100 MV, you can say minus 70 MV, and the potential at the resting stage is minus 70 MV. Okay, so average is minus 70. And the sodium channel is also close. Now we'll come to when the stimulus, अभी जब stimulus आएगी resting stage, now what will happen when stimulus is received? Okay, so कितना stimulus चाहिए to open voltage channels? That is minus 55. Minimum stimulus required to open channels -55 MV, मतलब इतना स्टिमुलस रिसीव हो सो डैट द चैनल जो है ओपन हो जाए। ठीक है, जब इतना स्टिमुलस रिसीव हुआ -55, ठीक है, तब वोल्टेज चैनल्स ओपन हो जाएंगे। ओके, देन Na+ एंटर्स टू इनर, जो Na+ है वो एंटर हो जाएगा इनर में, बिकॉज Na इज मोर इन एक्स्ट्रा सेल्युलर फ्लूइड। ओके, देन व्हाट विल हैपन, जो इनर होगा वो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, आउटर नेगेटिव हो जाएगा। अब इतना स्टिमुलस रिसीव हुआ, लिसन, ये इतना स्टिमुलस रिसीव हुआ, नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन, चैनल जो है ओपन हो जाएगा, Na विल कम इनसाइड, ये Na अंदर चला जाएगा, ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, आउटर वर्ड्स नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, और यहाँ पॉजिटिव की कंसंट्रेशन ज़्यादा है। सो व्हेन वोल्टेज retain channels open, Na+ enters to inner membrane because Na is more where in ECF, extracellular fluid। तो व्हाट विल हैपन, इनर जो है ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, द इनर मेम्ब्रेन गेट्स पॉजिटिव एंड आउटर मेम्ब्रेन नेगेटिव। तो इस प्रोसेस को कहते हैं, दिस प्रोसेस नोन एज डीपोलराइजेशन। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ठीक है, सो पोलराइज स्टेज में बाहर पॉजिटिव, अंदर नेगेटिव, एंड इन डीपोलराइजेशन आउटर विल बी नेगेटिव, इनर विल बी पॉजिटिव, आउटर विल बी नेगेटिव। ये नेगेटिव हो गया और ये पॉजिटिव हो गया। ठीक है, Na चैनल ओपन। और स्टिमुलस यहाँ रिसीव हुआ है। ठीक है, सपोज स्टिमुलस इज रिसीव हेयर, and the one more thing, and this process is known as depolarization, and the action potential अब कितना हो जाएगा, 45 to 50। तो जब स्टिमुलस मिलेगा तभी डीपोलराइजेशन। डीपोलराइजेशन कब होगा, व्हेन स्टिमुलस इज गिवन there will be depolarization। तो डीपोलराइजेशन कब होता है, जब स्टिमुलस रिसीव होता है, एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज known as generation of nerve impulse। एंड आफ्टर स्टिमुलस, अब एक्शन पोटेंशियल कितना होगा आफ्टर स्टिमुलस, नाउ व्हाट विल बी द एक्शन पोटेंशियल, द एक्शन पोटेंशियल is +32 + 40 MV। ओके, तो पोलराइज स्टेट में इट इज़ -70. इतना स्टिमुलस चाहिए सो दैट चैनल इज ओपन. -55 MV stimulus required to open the channels, and when stimulus is received, after that the potential is 30 to 40 MV. Now next, we will study propagation of nerve impulse. Propagation of nerve. Now how it will be propagated? Suppose I have told you here it is, and propagation. Now what will happen? This positive will go here and it will become negative. ये जो है यहाँ जाएगा. This positive will go here. Okay. So what will happen? This will become positive and this will become negative. Same thing. This positive direction will be like this. Okay. Now here in this case it will go here. This positive will go here. So negative, negative, positive. Again this will go and it will become negative. Okay, and this will come here. So the propagation will go on. Okay. Next is repolarization. Now in this case what happened? K channel will open. Because of opening of K channel, potassium channel, potassium will come outside. तो outer क्या हो जाएगा? Positive. रीपोलराइज. पॉजिटिव था बाहर, ठीक है, फिर ये नेगेटिव हुआ. अब क्या हो, तो ये डीपोलराइजेशन हो गया. ठीक है, यहाँ पे साइन चेंज, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव. अब ये अगेन पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा तो उसको कह देंगे रीपोलराइजेशन. एंड द रीज़न इज बिकॉज ऑफ प्रेजेंस ऑफ के. अभी यहाँ पॉजिटिव था, इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ Na. अब पॉजिटिव यहाँ रहेगा रीपोलराइजेशन में. इन रीपोलराइजेशन अब फिर से पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. तब रीज़न क्या है उसका? ये नहीं है. इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ प्रेजेंस ऑफ के. रीपोलराइजेशन बिकॉज ऑफ द पोटेशियम. ठीक है, बाहर पॉजिटिव रहेगा. सो एक्शन पोटेंशियल क्या होगा? इट्स दिस केस इज 45. Okay, so in this case what will happen? It will become positive. And what will happen? Action potential will be so it takes place when action potential (45). And in this case what happened? Na channel closed and K plus channel ओपन, ठीक है। सो क्या होता है, K प्लस चैनल ओपन हो जाता है एंड दिस इज पॉजिटिव, this is positive, sorry, this is will be positive and this will be negative. Okay, it is positivity ड्यू टू K प्लस। सो बाहर ये जो पॉजिटिव हो गई, नेगेटिव था, ये पॉजिटिव बाहर अब क्यों हो जाएगा, बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ पोटेशियम आयंस। K moving out, K is moving out, okay, due to generation of action potential in next membrane, Na channels open and Na goes inside, makes inner positive and outer negative, and because of opening of K channels, K will come out outside and inner membrane will get negative again, ये दोबारा नेगेटिव हो जाता है, ठीक है। And now the MV is 45 MV. Refractory period, so it is a correct arrangement of ions. So when 1 ATP is hydrolyzed, this is sodium potassium pump, okay, this is sodium potassium pump. So when 1 ATP is hydrolyzed, what happened, 3 Na plus will go out, and in exchange of this 2 K plus come inside, okay. What I am saying, in sodium potassium pump 3 Na plus will go outside and 2 potassium will come inside when 1 ATP is hydrolyzed, okay, and this is a correct arrangement of ions. And this is positive, again positive, and it is again negative due to K plus, okay. So this is all about, and one more thing, in non-myelinated, the speed of nerve impulse speed is what, 15 to 20 meter per second, and in myelinated sheet, in myelinated nerve fiber, like the nodes of Ranvier is present, okay. This is a myelinated sheet. This is axolemma. यहाँ पर Na के चैनल्स हैं and this is nodes of Ranvier. In this condition, what happened? The nerve impulse travel very fast. Okay, it will directly jump. When nerve impulse generated in one nodes of Ranvier, it will directly jump into other nodes of Ranvier. Okay, ये ऐसे जंप करेगा. ओके, so listen again. When nerve impulse generated in one nodes of Ranvier, it will directly jump into other nodes of Ranvier. And this jumping of impulse, ये जो impulse jump कर रहा है, उसको हम लोग कहते हैं saltatory conduction. Okay, and the speed is, here in this case the speed is 100 to 120 meter per second. The jumping of impulse known as means to jump from one nodes of means to jump from one nodes of Ranvier to another. सो इस पर जो इम्पल्स जनरेट होता है माइलिनेटेड फाइबर्स को हम लोग सॉल्टेटरी कहते हैं, सॉल्टेटरी कंडक्शन. ओके, द impulse generated in myelinated fiber is known as saltatory. So students, again, in polarized state, outer positive, inner negative, Y positive due to Na plus, and when the stimulus is received, मतलब इतना होना चाहिए -55 MV, so that the voltage channels open. जो voltage channels when open, what happen? The inner outer will get negative or and inner will get positive, जिसको हम लोग depolarization कहते हैं. Now Na channel is open. यहाँ पे क्लोज था, नाउ Na channel open. Okay, and when stimulus is received, then the action potential is 30 to 40 MV. Now how it is conducted? It will come here, this will become negative, and it will go on and go on. The direction is here and here. And here the direction is like this. Okay, now repolarization, opposite, again the outer will become positive and inner will become negative, and in this case the action potential is 45 MV. and what happened? K plus channel open हो जाता है. ठीक है, K plus channel open, and here the positivity is due to presence of K plus. Refractory, it is a correct arrangement of ions. What happened? When 1 ATP is hydrolyzed, 3 Na go outside and in exchange 2K plus go inside. And the speed in non-myelinated is 15 to 20 meter per second. In myelinated, the nerve impulse jump from one node of Ranvier to another, and in this case the speed is more. That is around 100 to 120 millimeter per second. It is known as saltatory conduction. Okay, so this is all about the nerve impulse. Take the screenshot.